Today we learn how to check the robot contact. The first here is 7 axis master contact. Open the here, then open the here, and here. Then let the contact cable contact inside. This one too. Here is gas. Here is this contacted lead parts, and this here is a cleaner station. Here is 8 axis contact to the motor. And this cable is follow the robot. Then go to here and here. This one is connect the welding power middle, and this line is the camera cable connected to this controller. And here is water tank cable connected. Here also can into the down. Here is not mark. And inside the welding wire. Inside the welding wire. And use this connect. Okay. That. After do it, also the teach plant, this contact here. Also is a net cable contact here, and here is not do it. And here cable. Then this contact the gas. This one is contact the air gas. This cable, and the tow power contact power. This I have the market it. And this button control these two contact, and this one is contact your product must. Then we next to turn power the robot. After check all cable, then we turn on the power. This contact up. This one is tow. We get here. Here is work tank. Here is this, and this is PC. Here is this one is camera the controller. Then this one we open the here. Open the welding power. After do it, you check the limit. If not light, then click this button. This button is contact. Okay. How to open the main? Here is a button. Here is light is on. Here is not on. Only press this button. Here is start. Wait a moment. can see the PC. This one is computer. Computer. Then you can see this is only place the reset. The PC is open, right? Then we use the mouse. And move it. Then here, this one is like the tracking software. Here is the Kawasaki. Here is Kawasaki about the program the software. We first open the leather tracking, the English. We first open it, right? This page. We first choose this one, like that. Then here is control the laser. Here must choose the one. Choose open it. If you set the TCP, we choose the 20. Then open it. Here is right. When you run the program, must change to the 01. Set the TCP, then choose here. Open it. Here is software. Now the welding power, you can see it. Oh, here is contact success. Here is control the work tank. Now the work tank know what you receive the machine must edit the water here. Go to the 20.